Our vision is to make welding in Australia a world-class process. The welding industry in Australia has shrunk dramatically over the last 20 years, predominantly from competition from overseas imports. As a result of this shrinking, we now have a shortage of some 70,000 welders in Australia. It's my responsibility to promote welding to various governments in Australia. And we've been very successful at that over the past few years, because now there is no question that every government in Australia understands how important welding is to the delivery of infrastructure. And Weld Australia is advocating to ensure that that work is given to Australian companies. And this is a key part of what we're trying to achieve. Part of that process, the delivery of infrastructure, involves training. And the first element is the training of welders, and we have partnerships with nearly every TAFE in Australia, and we work with them to establish advanced welder training centres using augmented reality welding simulators. These simulators are the most advanced training aid in the world, and Australia is one of the leading markets. We now have over 400 simulators in Australia used to train welders of all levels. As a not-for-profit, Weld Australia has a number of social programs, and we are extremely proud of them. One is we've been providing advanced welder training centres to now 8 prisons in Victoria, and in this program we're teaching inmates how to weld to the highest standards. When they complete the program, they are certified to ISO 9606, which means they can get a job as a welder in almost any fabrication shop in Australia. One of our other important programs is Women in Welding. This is absolutely crucial. If we can get more women in welding, then that can go a long way to solving our shortage of labour problem. Women make great welders, good attention to detail, fantastic fine motor skills, and we need to try and do more and more to get women involved. One of the most important things that Weld Australia does is we manage the welding safety. The task of the Welding Safety Council is to promote welder safety in relation to fumes. And one of the things that involves is the use of force-fed air helmets, which massively reduces the danger of welders to welding fumes.